Hey there! Let's take a look at starting an inspection from a schedule in safety culture. A scheduled inspection can be started from one of two places: the home screen or directly from a template on the Inspections tab. Keep in mind, internet connection is required to start scheduled inspections. Let's start with the home screen. Here you'll see all your to-do items, including any scheduled inspections. Simply tap the inspection schedule you want to complete. Then tap Start Inspection, and you're ready to go. If for some reason you're unable to complete a scheduled inspection, select Won't Do and provide a reason. You can also start a scheduled inspection directly from the template. Go to the Inspections tab, find the template, then tap Start Inspection. In the Schedule view, tap Start Inspection and you're off. Keep in mind, this view is only available during the scheduled time frame. If you need to step away and come back to your inspection later, no worries. Your changes are saved automatically. You can continue at any time by looking at In Progress on the home screen. Or tap Inspections, then go to In Progress and Complete to continue. Remember to complete your inspection within the scheduled time frame, so it doesn't become overdue or missed. That's it. Now you're ready to start inspections from a schedule. To learn more, visit help.safetyculture.com